Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square Online Checkout Customization, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Square Online Checkout Customization, log into your Square dashboard. Navigate to the Online section in the left sidebar. Select the Website tab from the options provided. Click on the Checkout option under the Website settings. You will see a series of customization options for your checkout page. Start by choosing the layout that best suits your brand style. Consider selecting a theme that complements your existing website. Next, customize your logo by uploading an image that represents your business. Adjust the colors of your checkout page to align with your brand's color scheme. You can edit text elements to personalize messages to your customers. Look for options to enable or disable guest checkout, which can enhance user experience. Make sure to review any payment processing settings to ensure they meet your needs. If you have specific shipping options, configure those settings as well. Explore the review and confirmation email settings to ensure clear communication with your customers. Consider adding any promotions or discount codes to incentivize purchases. Preview your changes regularly to see how they appear from the customer's perspective. Take the time to save all changes before exiting the customization area. Before finalizing, run a test transaction to ensure everything functions smoothly. Once satisfied, exit the configuration area and your custom checkout is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.